Why is nobody talking about what this practice owner just did? She runs a busy medical practice. She's fully booked and she's got a growing patient list. Everyone told her that more patients mean more success. This is the general assumption, right? But what did she decide to do? She decided to turn away a percentage of her new patients. So she still took on new patients, but less. She did this on purpose. And of course, her staff thought that she was completely losing her mind. But here's why she did this. She wasn't chasing growth anymore. She was protecting it. A full diary and a thriving practice are just not the same thing. The one burns you out and the other lets you actually show up for the patients that you already have. If you're reading this between patients, answering your messages after hours, wondering when busy turned into buried, know this, that growth isn't always more. Sometimes it's less, done better. So I'm asking, what would you close the door on to open space for what actually matters?